Hi, today I'm reviewing Lenovo Tab P11 Plus and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just hold our device home screen with a finger, and then we'll see here the widgets icon. After that, we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's add the calendar widget. We can add the full month view or the schedule. To add the widget, we should just hold it and just drag it to our home screen. If you wanna just move it here on the screen or between the screens, we just should hold it and drag it. Just to create a new screen, we should hold it and just drag to the right side of our bottom. As you can see, that's so simple. Just to resize it, hold it for a while. Oh no, just touch it. Just hold it for a while. Oh, I just remove it. So let's once again add the widget. Click the widgets icon, add the widget, and now just to remove it, hold it and then drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.